Hey guys, this week we are going to be learning about another country. Last week we really focused on the United States, and this week we're going to be learning about the Philippines. But today we're going to talk about how nonfiction text features help you gain more information. It's nice and big, and we're going to listen to this. We watched it last week too, but this will help us today to look into a book and really learn more about the Philippines.
Text features. Text features are the things found in nonfiction materials that help you make sense of what you're reading. These text features can also help you decide which pieces of information are the most helpful to you. Titles are usually located at the top of the page or front cover. They tell you what the book, article, or chapter is called. Some books and articles have subtitles. The subtitle gives more information about the title. The beginning of a nonfiction book or article often has a table of contents. The table of contents tells you on what page each chapter or section begins. Nonfiction materials use lots of tools to share information. Charts, graphs, and tables organize data and statistics to make it easier to read. Photographs and illustrations often have captions underneath them. Captions give more information about the picture. A diagram is a simple drawing that shows the parts of something or how it works. Diagrams have labels that tell you what each part is called. Some nonfiction materials have maps. A map shows where something is located. A timeline shows the order of when things happened. Timelines are often used with historical events. Nonfiction materials often use bold and italic letters to draw attention to important words. Bold words are made with dark, heavy lines. Words in italics are slanted. Sometimes the bold and italic words can be found in the glossary at the end of the book. The glossary is like a mini dictionary that gives definitions of the keywords found in the book. The index is usually the very last page of the book or article. It tells you on what pages you can find important information or keywords. Words in the index are listed in alphabetical order. Nonfiction text features are the things found in nonfiction materials that help you make sense of what you read. Let's look at the text features we've learned so far. Title, subtitle, table of contents, chart, graph, table, captions, diagram, labels, map, timeline, bold, italic, glossary, index. Thanks for listening.
Okay guys, let's see. So today we are going to look at Epic. Once you go to your mailbox, remember you go to getepic.com. It's right here up at the top, getepic.com. And then you're going to go to the collection on the Philippines, because we are going to be learning about the Philippines. There's several different books you can choose from. Let's look at this one. So we see our table of contents that helps us go directly to what we want to learn about. And remember, we're going to be filling out, well, where did it go, friends? We're going to be filling out this graphic organizer. Boop. And it's going to be on Seesaw for you to fill out. But you can stop and jot any information that we find. So I saw in there on our paper, we need to find the capital city, language, population, current leader, what continent it's on, The Philippines is a group of islands located in Southeast Asia. Now, friends, if you want this to read to you, just press the
Where
play.
is the Philippines? The Philippines
Now,
is
I'm going to read it to you. And later on, when you go on to Epic, you can just press this little green button and it will read to you. The Philippines is a group of islands located on Southeast Asia. More than 7,100 islands make up the archipelago. In total, the country covers 115,831 square miles, 300,000 square kilometers. The two largest islands are Luzon in the north and Mindanao in the southeast. An island group called Visayas sits between the islands. Manila and the country's capital is located on the western coast of Luzon. So we can kind of see that over here in this picture. It's a map. The Philippines does not border any other country. Its closest neighbors are Malaysia, Taiwan, and Indonesia. The Sulu Sea and other Celestial Sea lies to the south. The Philippine Sea and the Pacific Ocean lie to the east. So let's see, we're looking more specifically. So I'm going to actually go to the table of contents and see if I can find more information like that about what specifically. Maybe fast facts on page 28. Might give us some. Let's see. Oh, population. Here we go. See on here, it asks what the population is. So in here we can write the population. So 100,833,938 as of July 2011. And we also have the Philippine flag. So that the fast facts really gave us a lot because that was also on here, the flag. So this, let me see if I can move this up. This fast facts really gives us a lot of information. The unit of money, that's one of the questions on there. Currency, that means money. So they use the peso. So here you would write currency, you would write peso. So this is what I want you to work on today. This will be on your seesaw and you can fill this out. Let's go to your Canvas course. So you're going to read your book about your country. You're going to stop and jot, and you're going to use that to fill in your graphic organizer. Now, this might take you a little bit today to work on that. So I want you to really work on that, and then you'll have maybe tomorrow to work on it too, okay? And then once your graphic organizer is done, we're going to put it onto a Flipgrid at the end of the week, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give you the worksheet on Seesaw so you can use that worksheet to help you, if that makes sense. So if you have any questions, just let me know. The worksheet with that graphic organizer is going to be on Seesaw. This will be on Seesaw for you to click on to fill in. You're going to go to Epic to read the books and to find out information. And remember, we are all doing the Philippines. Our class is the class doing the Philippines, okay? So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.